animals and their young ones. Lion and its young one is called as cub. C-U-B, cub. Cat and its young one is called as kitten. K-I-T-T-E-N, kitten. Dog, its little one is called as pup. P-U-P, pup. Kangaroo, its little one is called as Joey. J-O-E-Y, Joey. Deer, its little one is called as fawn. F-A-W-N, fawn. Sheep, its young one is called as lamb. L-A-M-B, lamb. Duck, its little ones are called as ducklings. D-U-C-K-L-I-N-G-S, ducklings. Horse, its little one is called as foal. F-O-A-L, foal. Cow, its little one is called as calf. C-A-L-F, calf. Elephant, its little one is also called as calf. C-A-L-F, calf. Thanks for watching. सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलना.